Good day, everyone. It's me again. I'm going to irritate you again. The first question I want to ask you: do you want to change your financial status? I've got a solution. That solution is in your hand. You're holding it now in your hand. This is about the $10 club. The easiest way, with a very low effort, that you can earn money every Thursday and every first Thursday of every month. All you have to do is buy your business for $50 and it's going to cost you 180 Rand, $10 a month. And you have so many opportunities, seven opportunities to earn extra, and that can help you with your financial situation. It's only you that can do it. Only you can make that difference in your life. It's a decision that you have to take. I took it 4 months ago, and I do not have an inch of regret, because this changed my life. I'm still at the beginning. I'm still at a low income. But the only way this is going to change for you is that you have to put in just a little bit of effort. You have to work on your company to earn a bigger salary. And you will decide on yourself what is enough for you to come through your month. It's a simple, easy answer. You do have the solution in your hand. If you want to hear more about this $10 club that will change your life for the better, give me the info. We go to WhatsApp and I tell you more about this business. But I'm going to say it again. You must believe and trust yourself to make this change for yourself. And if you work on it, you can decide what is enough for you to come through your month. That's the only thing you have to do. It's your choice. $10 a month and $2,000 on earnings every month. That gives you, what is $2,000 a month? It's around about 34,000 Rand. Can you do with it? It's your choice. I made it. Now I want to help you and a lot of other people out there who struggle to get through every month. I've got an option. If you are interested, leave me an info in your comments, and I will take you to my WhatsApp, and then we can talk there further. But you have the easy way here in your hand to change your life for only $10 a month. As simple as that.